Dr. Hwa A. Lim, in his keynote lecture in the heart of Silicon Valley, posed an intriguing question. Why is it that little thought is given as to why one technology wins out over others? Or why a particular technology arises when it does? After a beat, he added, "In a certain sense, we shape technological trends, and afterward, prevailing technologies shape us." Dr. Lim took us on an insightful journey, retracing the history of technology. He began with Gutenberg's printing press around 1439, which led to the creation of books and pamphlets. This sparked a surge in the demand for spectacles as reading became more widespread and popular. This demand drove innovators to experiment with lenses, leading to the invention of two significant devices, the microscope and the telescope. According to Dr. Lim, this was the first instance of humans harnessing silicon dioxide, or glass, to enhance our vision. We used it to create mirrors, spectacles, and devices that transcended the natural limits of human vision. This marked a significant milestone in the technological advancements of that era in Europe. Fast forward to the 21st century, and we find silicon dioxide taking on a new role in the form of digital chips. Dr. Lim highlighted the importance of sand in our digital age. He explained how our jobs, entertainment, and communication are increasingly defined by the internet and digital devices, all of which wouldn't exist without sand. He pointed out that most of the world's sand grains are composed of quartz, a form of silicon dioxide. High-purity silicon dioxide particles are essential in creating computer chips, fiber optic cables, and other high-tech hardware. While the quantity of quartz used for these products is minuscule compared to its use in concrete or land reclamation, its impact is immeasurable. Interestingly, Dr. Lim pointed out that finding silicon isn't the challenge. It's one of the most abundant elements on Earth. The real challenge is that silicon never occurs naturally in pure elemental form. Separating out the silicon is the real task. The silicon used for solar panels needs to be 99.999999% pure, while the silicon for computer chips needs to be even more pure at 99.99999999999%. Dr. Lim noted that the computer chip, one of the most complicated man-made objects on Earth, is made from the most common stuff on Earth: humble sand. This is a testament to the marvel of technology. The march of technology, as Dr. Lim observed, has brought computers physically closer to us, from distant mainframes to desktops, then to wearables on our skin, and now to subdermal implants. The first commercial chip by Intel, released in 1971, contained 2,250 transistors. Today, computer chips are packed with billions of transistors. In summary, Dr. Lim's lecture served as a reminder of how we shape technology and how it, in turn, shapes us. From the pages of a book to the silicon chips that power our digital world, technology has always been a reflection of human innovation and ingenuity.